Note the gas strut orientation. Remove the original screws. After installing the bracket, simply fix it with the original screws. Don't tighten it yet. Note that the protrusion faces outward. Install the special screws. Note not to tighten it here, leaving a gap to install the gas strut. Use a little force to insert the gas strut. Adjust the hood up and down to align with the hole below. Align the position, then tighten the screws. Finally, tighten it again. After tightening, there will be no gaps in these two places. The buckle on the other side needs to be removed first. The other steps are the same. Installation complete.